Are you preparing for the IIT JEE, NEET, CBSE, NTSE, and facing difficulties in physics? Don't worry, I have a solution. We introduce the YouTube channel Conceptual Physics India. Subscribe and get free video lectures covering full syllabus of ITT JEE, NEET, CBSE, etc. Numerous online resources and study materials, free counseling and doubt clarification, tips and tricks to deal with numerical part, and much more. You can also download the official app at Google Play Store or iTunes, Conceptual Physics. Visit www.conceptualphysicsindia.com and ask for free ebook. Subscribe to this channel and start your journey in physics today.
Hello students. So today we are going to deal with NEET 2017 most important question, chapter wise last 10-year questions with solutions. And this is part 1, that is this will include class 11 syllabus, that is your unit and dimension, kinematic, mechanic, in which Newton's law, work, energy, power, rotational mechanic, gravitation. Then we will go on thermodynamic and chemical kinetic. Then we will be doing waves as well as SHM. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा मैं यहाँ पे इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूँ कि ये एक बुकलेट है, इसमें आपको लास्ट 10 ईयर्स से 18 ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस आपको इसमें मिल जाएंगे. और क्यों ये इम्पोर्टेंट है क्वेश्चंस लगाना, बिकॉज अगर आप कोई भी लास्ट ईयर के क्वेश्चंस लगाते हो या रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि इसमें रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस भी इंक्लूड है, अगर आप रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस लगाते हो तो उससे आपको एक बेनिफिट ये पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाट आर दी ट्रेंड्स, कैसे सॉल्व, कैसे मतलब क्वेश्चंस आते हैं और उसका स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्यूशंस क्या है विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन. ठीक है, तो मैं कुछ इसके कुछ पार्ट्स आपको शो कर देता हूँ, बाकी मैं लिंक दे दूंगा जहां से आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. तो कीप वॉचिंग and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. This is your R.K. Mishra sir from Conceptual Physics India. So here will be the first page, that is NEET 2017 most important questions, chapter wise last 10-year questions with solution, and it is from Conceptual Physics India. You can get more detail from www.conceptualphysicsindia.com. You can also download our app at Google Play Store as well as iTunes by typing Conceptual Physics. So this one will be part 1, that is it will include 11 syllabus NEET physics. So let us consider, let's have first what you will be getting. You will be getting the last 10 years question. For example 2014, then you will get 2010, 2009, 2008, 2007, and like this you will be getting lot of questions. ठीक है, almost 15, 20, 25 most important as well as repeated questions in this booklet, and you will be provided with solutions as well. It also include the solutions also with the explanation. So what I can say is, I can just advise you to take this booklet and to practice it before examination. और इससे पहले हमने जो आईआईटी का क्वेश्चन बैंक निकाला था और दैट वाज हैविंग अ वेरी गुड रिस्पांस, और करीब 34 क्वेश्चंस मैच हुए थे. तो इट्स रियली अ गुड स्टफ. अगर हम प्रैक्टिस करें तो होप यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, होप यू विल practice this questions and get all the ideas regarding NEET. Anyways, आप NEET के further videos भी देख सकते हैं जो ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हैं, कि how to crack NEET without coaching. Also, what are the different materials we have to read. So about this will be a complete booklet, and this will be available in 2 parts. This one is part 1, and by tomorrow or day after tomorrow you will be receiving part 2, physics 1. Then you will go on NEET biology section and then chemistry section. ठीक है, तो thank you, keep watching, have a great day.